Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your FuboTV subscription, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your FuboTV subscription, start by opening your web browser. Go to the FuboTV website. Log into your FuboTV account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Account Settings from the menu options. In the Account Settings section, look for the Subscription tab. Click on the Subscription tab to access your subscription details. Scroll down to find the Cancellation option. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. A confirmation window will appear, prompting you to confirm your decision. Read the information provided carefully before proceeding. If you're sure you want to cancel, click on Confirm Cancellation. You will receive a confirmation message that your subscription has been cancelled. Keep an eye on your email for any final confirmation from FuboTV. Note that your subscription will remain active until the end of your billing cycle. Make sure to check for any leftover recordings or playlists before your access ends. Your FuboTV account is now cancelled, and you will not be billed again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.